بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. All praise are due to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. May the blessings and peace of Allah be upon our Master Prophet Muhammad and upon his family and all his companions. Welcome again to the short course of the Islamic studies and the lessons prepared for the youth who speak English. And this is lesson 16 of our book, Salvation of the Generation from Error and Guidance of the Youth to Excellence. Last lesson we explained about wudu and what makes wudu invalid, and some things the person cannot do if he has not the wudu, or if he does not have wudu. Today we are going to talk about obligatory shower or the purificatory bath. And we know there are a lot of reasons which can make the shower obligatory or can make it compulsory. And so before we talked about how can we perform the shower or the obligatory shower, we need to learn what can make the shower compulsory. There are 6 things or 6 reasons. Number 1 is an ejaculation. If someone saw his mani or his semen and his sperm, and for example, if the man slept and gets wet dream, he must perform obligatory shower. He must do shower. That time the shower is compulsory, it's not sunnah. So, and the youth must know that reason and can make the shower compulsory. Because there are a lot of youth who asked me that question when I explained them, and they said, how can the shower be obligatory? Number 2, which can make the shower compulsory, is an sexual intercourse. When the man sleeps with his wife, he must do obligatory shower. That shower is not normal shower because it needs intention and to wash every single place of your body. We will talk about later inshallah. So sexual intercourse makes the shower compulsory. Number 3, period. Monthly period or menstruation makes the shower compulsory. And number 4, postnatal bleeding or nifas, the blood which comes after the birth, and makes the shower compulsory. Number 5, giving birth. So when the lady gives birth, she must do obligatory shower. Last one is death. So if someone dies, we and Muslims must do shower. These are the reasons makes the shower compulsory according to Shafi'i madhab, because we are talking about now Shafi'i fiqh. Now we learned the reasons makes the shower compulsory. There are pillars of the shower, obligatory shower. First of all, you should intend, and before you wash any part of your body, you should get intention. How can you get intention? After you use the toilet and you clean your private part from urine or other things, you need to start the shower. So before you wash any part of your body, you should intend that you are lifting a state of major ritual impurity. And for example, there are minor ritual impurity and major ritual impurity. For example, when you do not have wudu and you wanted to do wudu, you are in a state of minor ritual impurity, يعني الحدث الأصغر. And when you need to do a shower, obligatory shower, because of one mentioned reasons, you have a state, or you are in a state of a major ritual impurity, janaba or period or other things. So you should intend, before you wash any part of your body, you should intend that you are lifting a state of major ritual impurity. You are purifying yourself from major ritual of impurity, major ritual hadath. Then after that, clean yourself, purify yourself. After that, you should wash your private parts, and for shower, you should wash all your body. That's the first pillar of ghusl. Ghusl or obligatory shower. Ghusl is Arabic word. And second pillar, which is last pillar, is to ensure that the water reaches the entire of your hair and your skin. You should ensure that the water, the entire of your hair and your skin. That means you should wash everywhere of your body, everywhere of your body, of your outside body, and you should wash the roots of your hair, because there is janaba. After, as the Prophet ﷺ said, there is janaba and in the roots of the hair. So you should make that the water reached and the skin of your head and the roots of the hair and other places. For example, you should wash, or you should make sure that the water reached and for your private part and your anus, and so make sure after the intention, not before the intention. That's the pillars of wudu: intention, and to ensure that the water reached whole your body, your hair and your skin. Then there are sunnahs of wudu. Sunnah, some things which are optional. If you do, you will get ajr, and if you don't, you won't be punished. So, among the sunnahs of wudu is to start from the right side, and to do your actions 3 times, and to rub your body with your hands if the water can reach your skin without rubbing. But if the water cannot reach somewhere of your body without rubbing, you should rub. And it is sunnah also to face Qibla if it is possible. What is the offensive or disliked actions when you are performing your ghusl or your shower? To waste the water is offensive. Even if you are on the sea coast, do not waste the water. Last question: what is forbidden for someone who is in a state of major ritual impurity? If you have janaba, and what is forbidden from you? There are 6 things you cannot do if you have a major ritual impurity. You cannot pray. And you cannot cycle the Kaaba. You cannot do tawaf in English. And you cannot touch the Quran. Also, you cannot carry the Quran. You cannot recite Quran, anything of Quran. And you cannot remain in the masjid. You cannot remain in the masjid. You can pass or you can cross the masjid, but you cannot stay in the masjid. You cannot remain. And now we are learning some optional purificatory baths, some optional ghusl, some optional showers, and if we do, we will get ajr. If you don't, we will not be punished. For example, there are some optional showers. They are not obligatory. They are optional. And for example, ghusl or shower of Friday prayer. You need intention. You should intend that you are doing ghusl of Friday prayer. But if you have a shower Friday and you do not intend, you will not get ajr. You will not get ajr. Also, ghusl of the or shower is ghusl is word Arabic word. Shower of the day of the two Eids, Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr. Also, ghusl of the solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse. Also, ghusl of the drought prayer. It is sunnah to have a shower. This is the end of our lesson. May Allah make us those who understand the deen and act upon it. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.